Hey guys, Tim here with A4 Outdoors, and what I'm going to do is I got a battery terminal relocate kit from Kemi Moto. It's anyone that has an X3 or is looking at an X3, they know that the battery is in a terrible place. It's behind the passenger seat. In a Max like this one, it's behind the rear passenger seat, but I think in the two-seaters it's behind the passenger seat. You can't really get to the battery unless you take the seat out, which is the 4 bolts. So what I did is Kemi Moto and I believe UTV Stereo, I think that's the only 2 companies that I know of that sell a battery terminal relocate. So that way it basically takes your battery terminals from your battery and just kind of changes, puts them in a different position, a lot easier position to jump your vehicle, to charge it, stuff like that. So what it comes with is it comes with your positive and negative terminal on a bracket that bolts to your machine, and then it comes with a positive and negative battery cable, and all you do is take your red and your black cable, run it to your battery, and then you come out behind here through the hole, and then you go out, and the actual relocate part mounts right here on the back kind of firewall area. So it comes with a nice little bracket, and what I did is I just drilled 2 little holes. I looked for a good spot and put the 2 little holes, and it comes with bolts and everything for it. There's your 2 bolts. Ignore this. This is for my roof stereo and everything, the wiring. But you just drill 2 holes here. You just kind of hold it up to the back, mark it, drill your holes through, or you can hold it to this side and then make sure nothing's on the other side, and bolt it up. So basically now you can put your battery tender on without having to take the seat out, without having to pull the seat forward, fight, get back in that, and if you in behind the seat, and if you have to jump your machine when the battery goes dead, you don't have to take the seat out, you don't have to fight with it. It's super easy. All right, now we're under the rear back fender, or behind the back seat. There's the bracket that it comes with. It's nice heavy duty plastic with the bolt and everything that you just kind of hold it up there, mark it, and drill right through the plastic. Super easy, and bolt it on. Here is your positive and your negative terminal. It's nice, big, heavy-duty terminals. That way you can hook your jumper cables up to it, your battery tender or whatnot, and it's a whole lot easier than trying to get behind the seat. I think this on Amazon is about $90. I'll put a link at the bottom. Definitely worth getting. I mean, it's freaking awesome. That way you don't have to fight with the seat and all that good stuff. And this kind of covers when you're riding. You just put those on there, and that covers your terminals. I leave a battery tender on mine, so that's super easy to hook to. Alright, so there is your battery terminal relocate from Kemi Moto. Again, I'll put a link in the description below. And subscribe to our channel if you haven't already for more stuff to come. I have ordered some shock therapy spring kit for the machine. So when that comes in, we're going to put those on. I know they're behind a little bit on getting them. They're supposed to make this thing ride just like a dream. So we'll do an installation video on that. And we'll talk to you later.